Evidence for worldwide flood. Now, for the last few decades, we were told that there was no worldwide flood a few thousand years ago. This kind of flood would eliminate any chance of evolution and give total credence to the book of Genesis in the Bible. And if it did not occur according to the book of Genesis, then all land creatures would have been destroyed. That is, completely eliminating all evolution on land. But we have seen that all of the explanations given by Darwinists have been severely contradicted by the scientific evidence. There are more than 200 different cultural accounts of a huge flood, often referred to as a worldwide flood, in the different cultures throughout the world. Now, there is also evidence throughout the entire earth that water has covered all parts of the globe. Sedimentary rock, which is formed with water, is found in all continents of the world. Marine fossils, that's clams, fish, etc., are abundant in a number of these strata. Large numbers of these marine fossils have been discovered high in the tallest mountain ranges in the world. These and other scientific facts lend strong credence to the idea that there has been a worldwide flood in the past. Now, evolutionists proclaim that the strata, or the layers, were formed about an inch per thousand years. Well, the problem is it is not happening at all today. Strata, that is, the strata being formed in this manner. So what would we expect to find if there was a worldwide flood? Well, first, there would be a large majority of sedimentary layers of rock, with the less intelligent and or mobile creatures generally in the bottom layers, and the most intelligent and or mobile creatures in the top layers. There would, of course, be some exceptions, as mudslides and gigantic turbulences trap and capture some of the more mobile creatures into the lower layers. Well, this is precisely the way that the layers exist, with a number of fossils in the wrong layers. These layers are exactly the way that they should not be if evolution were true. For evolution, there is no acceptable explanation for all of the fossils being mixed up in various layers. Example, human fossils and or artifacts are found in every layer on Earth. Darwinian evolution has no scientific explanation for these mixtures, or for the fact that the younger layers are found below some of the older layers throughout the world. But a worldwide flood would explain all of it perfectly. Thanks for watching this video.